and let's see how it...
Laminated windows, double glazing, you know the drill. It's acoustically insulating, it's a thief deterrent, it's the kind of glass you've seen in luxury cars. But one of the only concerns with these types of windows is that it's hard to get help from outside quickly in an emergency situation when a driver falls in unconscious. So personally, when I am explaining car feature to our customers for vehicles with this glass, to disable the auto lock feature. However, I realize that some people misunderstand the original purpose of this feature, which is to prevent the car doors from being opened from the outside. So it's to prevent unauthorized entry that could happen while you're driving. You've probably seen a lot of videos of getting robbed while driving. If you forget to lock your doors when you're driving, you could be in trouble. So that's why most cars have this feature. I have heard of this feature as a way to prevent kids in the back seat from opening the door from the inside on their own. That's what this child lock button does. But Volvo and most other car manufacturers have taken this into account to automatically unlock in the event of an accident. However, Volvo has a feature depending on the model year. According to the manual, 2021 models don't have it. From the 2022 model year, it is said that the lock will unlock if an accident is detected at the level of airbag deployment. First of all, it says that all vehicles with Android OS have this feature. The problem is that the cars with the Sensors OS until the 2022 model year, XC40 mild hybrid, XC60, V60, and XC90 models which had Sensors OS until the 2022 model year. There is no mention of the feature in the 2021 model year manual, and only the 2022 model year is described. Even the same Sensors OS on 2021 model year though, why does it work for the 2022 model year only? It's the same OS, so I personally think that Volvo's manual hasn't been updated. Also, newer Volvos with SEA and CMA flagpole models are designed to deploy auto brake when an accident occurs, level of the airbags to deploy. The brakes are automatically engaged to prevent a secondary collision. As far as the manual goes, there is no mention of this feature in the older models, so we can assume it's not available. Anyway, if you are driving a new car these days, feel free to leave the auto lock on.
Auto locking while driving, that's also very nice to have. Your heavy display.